Well, welcome everyone. This is part 3 of my Quintracycle build, the weird and wacky 5-wheel bike. As you can see, I got the steering hooked up so that now when you move the handlebar this way, they both turn that way. And I did have to add a little extension on here because it's 3 different 20-inch bikes, but they're different lengths. And this one was not as long as that one was, so to even it out, I put a little extension on it there. I also put the handlebars on it. I just took a regular handlebar and cut it in half and put one on one side and one on the other. And I might do something different on that later on, but then I put this cross piece in the middle, just a piece of conduit, and bent over the ends and attached it with a hose clamp for now. Might do something different with it later. It's pretty much ready to go for a test ride now. I'm gonna do a little more tweaking on it, but one thing you gotta be careful of is kind of the, I guess you'd say, toe in and toe out. You want to make sure the front wheels are kind of straight up and down and they don't tilt out like that too much or tilt in like that too much. So the other bike that I built back in 2014, that was kind of a problem with it. And I still gonna probably hook up the brakes, some of the brakes anyway, probably the front brakes, and the middle bike is a coaster brake bike, so I can stop that wheel, and perhaps I'll hook up the back brakes on the outside bikes, and I might use the old seat bracket on both ends and make a little canopy roof for it. So, but that might come later on, and then it'll need a paint job. I think I'm gonna go with a yellow like the, or a orange like the middle bike there, but haven't decided that yet. So, well, there it is. And no welding at all on this bike, just held together with nuts and bolts and washers and conduit and BMX bike pegs, and no welding required. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe as well. And remember to ring that bell so you won't miss any of my other videos. Remember to ring that bell. I need more cowbell. Okay, that's enough cowbell.